These are all the pieces you will need to assemble the 12-degree telescope for the Wolf-Piranha Hole-Up Instruments tray. This is how it's going to look for delivery to sterilization. So we're going to start with the scope in one hand, and we're going to take just one of these little yellow guys, thread it over the distal tip, and rotate it down, and there are a pair of little grooves down here at the base of the instrument. And that's where we want to roll these little gaskets into. So that's one. Gonna take the second. We're gonna do the exact same thing. Put it on over the distal tip. Thread all the way down. And if either of these gaskets are rotting away or broken, or one just goes flying, we have plenty of these replacements in the Wolf-Piranha cysto drawer. Next is going to be this irrigation collar that will also thread over the distal tip. There will be a little bit of resistance as the piece closes over those rubber gaskets, but eventually you'll feel a click and it won't come back out. Last, you have your two valves. One valve will go in the collar. Notice I have it twisted to the open position for sterilization. And you're going to do the same thing at the end with the attached piece. Once again, twisted to the open position.